Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
Guys, I'm shocked that I even get to make this video. But earlier this year, I was blessed with an opportunity to drive a NASCAR at a higher level than I've ever driven before with a team that I could have only dreamed of. Obviously, based on my performance at Daytona, it was a roller coaster. I went from crashing out in just 6 laps to then finishing pretty well in my ARCA race. Nonetheless, it's pretty clear that I'm a YouTuber trying to become a race car driver, and I have a ton to learn. No matter what I do, I gotta learn, I gotta get seat time. So I'm so excited to announce that I have signed a 2-year deal to be racing in the O'Reilly Series, which is just one step below the Cup Series. And like I said, I couldn't have dreamed this up because this is with one of the best teams in the NASCAR world, if not the best, Richard Childress Racing.
Dang.
Check this out.
Dang,
Richard Childress
brother.
Racing. All right, so we are here today to get a grand tour. And let me tell you, when they reached out about this to me, I couldn't believe it, right? And this was actually right before Daytona, before I did all that stupid stuff. I called them after. I said, are we still on? They said, Cleetus, there's a contract in your email, okay? And I signed a deal. It's 2 years, 3 races per year as of right now. My pay is $1 per year, so I'm officially a paid NASCAR driver. Guys, I hope you can understand how big of a deal this is to work with a team like Richard Childress Racing. RCR has the tools and equipment to not only give me a great car to take into a race, but also to help me develop as a great car to take into a race, but also to help me develop as a driver. There's so much that I gotta learn. There's a plethora of information and so many things going on. They have an army of people to help me succeed, become the driver I need to be to actually be competitive in these races. The car being good is awesome, but I've really got to step it up to make this all worth it. I mean, who won the O'Reilly's championship last year? RCR. Who won the O'Reilly's race at Daytona just a couple weeks ago? RCR. Who did Dale Earnhardt race for back in the day? RCR. We're literally doing it for Dale. Needless to say, I'm in the right place, and I still just cannot believe this opportunity is real, that I get to be an RCR driver. This is a massive opportunity for us, all of us. This NASCAR journey, who knows where it would have ended up at the end of this year, but now it looks like it has an extremely bright future, and you guys get to come along for the ride. And obviously, I would not have this opportunity without all of you. I'll tell you something, Greg Biffle, right? He got me into all this. He got me in the door to NASCAR. Wouldn't be here, and I wouldn't have any of these opportunities if it wasn't for him. But the Biff did always tell me that someone's gonna come along. They want your marketing power, they want your positive attitude. You might not be the best race car driver in this moment, but someone's gonna come along and pick you up. And Biff, I hope you're watching, because someone has come and picked us up. We got 2 years to make it happen and make us proud, and hopefully turn this into a career that lasts much longer than 2 years. But Biff, someone got us. And I think if Biff was here and knew that I got that phone call, he would have said, it's game time. That's why we're doing it. But also, when it comes to big racing, you gotta have big sponsorships. This racing is expensive, but within the first day of actually searching for a sponsor, we locked one in, and it's Tommy's Express Car Wash. You probably don't know what that is yet, so let me show you. This is Tommy's Express Car Wash. Can you feel the freedom already? There's 270 of these locations throughout 37 states in the United States of America. And yes, this is a touch car wash, but you probably won't believe all the technology they have in these stores to get your car as clean as it can possibly be and keep that paint nice. Really cool quick story. I'm actually building my own Tommy's Express on the same road as the Freedom Factory with my family. So when the RCR opportunity came up, we reached out to corporate to see if they wanted to be a part of this project and support me in my NASCAR career. They snap called and made the deal the same day we asked them. So we're committed to them as much as they are committed to us. But let's go inside real quick and I'll show you a few things. So when you think of an OG track style car wash, you think you're gonna get your wheels curved. Not here at Tommy's Express. We got the belt system, right? There's nothing for your wheels to hit on. And you can tell these are pretty wide tracks. Most of these Tommy's Express car washes can take a dually through them and a 7-foot-high pickup truck. I know the common idea as well is to think that a touchless car wash is safer for your car. And that makes a lot of sense based on the traditional car washes from 15 years ago that used rubber and just slap your car to get it clean. Well, a lot of touchless car washes use extreme detergents to get your car clean. Here on Tommy's, it's actually soft cloth. Kind of if you're washing your car. We're gonna put my truck through it right now. See how clean that puppy gets. Personally, I love most of the fact that you can't curb your wheels. I mean, that's a massive upgrade for all car washes. The track system is the way to go. And say you get a subscription, you come, you wash your car unlimited times throughout the month, then you come over here, you get free vacuums, and look how many they have set up. And look how nice this place is. They all look like this. I'm telling you, the Tommy's Car Wash franchise does not play around. All right, we got my truck right here. See all the dirt on the back of the tailgate. Let's see if they get that off. How's she looking, Jackson?
Look at that road grime on there,
all right, we gotta see if that comes off. A little pre-rinse on the way in.
Place the car in neutral and take your foot off the brake.
Look at that. No possible way to curve the wheels. These are 37s. You can see how much room this truck has to make it through the wash. Now there's also all kinds of options on what kind of wash you get. Look how fast it's going through here. Look how clean the truck already looks. I mean, come on, people. Guys, the idea of Tommy's Express Car Wash is with the revolution of technology, you do not need to be afraid of automated car washes anymore. Let's check out the old Raptor. Looking dialed in. Back of the truck, looking phenomenal. Guys, a huge thanks to Tommy's Express Car Wash for jumping on board with me for this journey. It's gonna be a roller coaster no matter what, but let's head back to RCR. So guys, I'm officially locked in. The paperwork is already signed. The next 2 years, I'll be with Richard Childress Racing and Tommy's Express Car Wash, racing at least 3 races a year in the O'Reilly Series. Our goal is to race at super speedways, but we got to start it all out in Rockingham. More details coming on that. Let's go on a little tour of this place. 15 buildings, 400 employees. This is an operation. All right, guys, so we got Ty Dillon with us here today. How are you, brother?
Doing good, man.
Hey, thanks again for this opportunity, man. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Just this building is
It's crazy.
blowing my mind.
You pull into a little town of Welcome, and you don't think there's going to be this big operation here, but welcome to RCR.
We're in Welcome, North Carolina. Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
And I guess we're about to go inside. We're going to do a whole tour today, and we're about to hang out with Richard Childress for a minute. So we'll get started there and go on the tour.
Yeah, it's going to be a fun day. Yeah, for sure. Let's check it out.
I'm fired up. I mean, it doesn't feel real. When you see a building like this, and you're like, this is all devoted to racing?
It's crazy. Not just the building. It's this whole freaking neighborhood of buildings down
Call it
here.
crossing the train tracks. Once you come in, it's all racing out here. So.
Yeah. This
Yep.
is sick. All right, check it out. It's just massive. Like, they don't know this is just the front. I mean, this thing, this building is a mile long.
Yeah, it's nice. Chevrolet.
Come on in, boys.
All right, thank you. Wow.
Dang.
Holy
Holy
cow.
smokes.
Hello. How's it going? Yeah, 3 cars sitting in the lobby.
Dang.
I feel like we're gonna see a lot.
You're going to see a lot of awesome stuff.
We're gonna see a lot of trophies.
A lot of trophies. How you doing? You mind if we video in here?
No, hey,
Richard. How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you. How you been?
Mike, I'm doing great. Good to see you.
Showing around the big
Wow.
town of Welcome. Landed at the airport. Just got in, so.
Did y'all land down there?
Yeah.
Welcome airport?
Went to your area.
I mean, oh, you went to school?
Sat in your plane too.
Yeah, we're checking it out. Mets is trying to sell them on it, so.
Yeah, we're about to sell it.
I'm good.
Make you a heck of a deal then. Since you're gonna be a paid race driver, big time NASCAR driver now,
Yeah.
you can afford that airport.
That's right. My salary's pretty extensive.
Yeah, I know it. We'll negotiate it. I believe I can get you closer to where you want to be, but
Okay.
maybe not quite all the way there.
I'm happy with where we started.
We'll figure that out. That's pretty workable, I think. But see, throw it in there. You win a race, that means you got to buy an airplane.
Oh, okay.
You got to be like he's big time.
Win a race, I gotta buy an airplane. I love that.
Yeah.
That's a great deal. I gotta just say again, thank you for the opportunity. I can't believe that I'm even here and get to be a part of this. So thank you guys.
we're excited about it.
Yeah, hopefully we can make you a superstar like you already are, but
I need some driver skill.
You get the equipment helps. Get you in a good, solid, smooth car that you can run. I think you'll be good with it. Yeah. Personally, I mean, equipment's you gotta have the talent. You gotta be able to drive the car, but nobody can drive something that, I mean, remember 98, I guess it was, Earnhardt came to me and said, man, I can't drive no way. He said, it's me. I said, no, it ain't, Bill. We ain't giving you the cars you need. We corrected it and fixed it, and we went on out and won more races and almost won the championship in 2000. So.
Well, I certainly feel like I'm in the right place with the right people, and like I said, I can't believe I'm here, so thank you.
We'll give it a try, buddy.
Give it a try.
Come in here and take a look at my office.
I'll see your office. Yeah, that's pretty
Did
cool.
you read that?
You're not a race driver. Stay the hell home. Don't come here and grumble about going too fast. Get the hell out of the car if you've got feathers on your legs or butt. Put a kerosene bag around your ankles so the ants won't climb up there and eat that candy ass. Dale Earnhardt.
I like that. I like that.
Last thing you see before you go in the office.
This is a nice office.
Dang.
You can see here, you don't see a lot of racing stuff in here.
Yeah.
Most of it's me, my lifestyle.
Yeah.
Racing's my lifestyle, but you don't see a lot. I got that one picture of Austin Ty when they were little kids, and other than that, I don't know if I got that's a car in 2000.
Yeah, not a ton of racing stuff in here.
It's all about my world, you know, that I live in. I mean, this is me, you know, the outdoors and America and patriotism, and you'll see a lot of that around.
That's right, brother.
If you're not a patriot, you don't need to be in this building.
I know you are the coolest guy, man. I cannot believe I get to work for you and be a part of this thing. So cool.
And
This
you're
is
gonna
a,
make enough money that you're gonna be able to buy an airplane.
He's going to stay on that airplane all day.
the goal here is to get an airplane. Another one. But it's a cool office, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I expected it to be full of racing pictures, but this is really cool.
Yeah, it's how we've always done it.
I assume you
Fish.
shot most of these?
Yep,
That was
everything in.
Mongolia, Tachikistan, Texas, the lines.
Oh, shoot. Got dang lion.
Get the feel, get used to it,
Yeah.
and you ain't gotta prove nothing to nobody. Just go do your thing and you'll be fine.
All right.
You just get the
That's what I plan to do.
This is what it's about.
That's what it's about right there.
Those are, that's,
This is a conference, so y'all walk in here.
not yet.
Wow. That's a couple of them gold cars that Earnhardt won,
Dang.
gave them to me.
Those are 24 karat,
Yeah.
right? Or what? Yeah, they used to give you solid
They
gold
built
cars when you
now-
won the
now
championship.
Oh,
Yeah, now it's worth
smokes.
quite a bit.
Holy cow.
That's awesome.
That is so cool.
Good
Winston
grief.
500.
Heaviest trophy ever, that one in the
That-
middle, right there.
Michigan trophy.
This is a trophy?
That was a Busch Series race.
Oh,
You guys-
smokes.
So this is just like the catwalk for the fans when they were walking. You can see everything.
This building is
It's insane.
crazy.
That's clean. That's clean.
My gosh. So this is a cup garage,
So
obviously.
this is the cup garage, but our Riley shop is just on the other side. So we'll go down, we'll go through here, we'll go see the Riley shop. It's all connected.
How
The
nice
Austin
it
Dillon
is.
Kyle Busch is.
Look at all the.
So they're probably,
Room,
that's
that's
either
just
the
clean.
Vegas car or Phoenix car. They're
That
probably,
is the Phoenix car.
so they're putting the final touches. They'll probably load that tonight or tomorrow to get out to Phoenix.
Jordan, what are we doing here,
I
brother?
don't know. Figuring it out.
Dang.
The shop.
Smells incredible in here.
Smells like horsepower.
Look how organized it is.
Yeah,
Never seen anything like it.
You can eat off the
I've
floor
never
in
seen
here.
anything like this. What an operation. This is a real
This
deal.
is a real deal. This is top
Operation.
tier right
Yeah.
here. This is what the top of the line looks like.
The shop was built so big, like before they went to the next gen cars, we used to have way more cars. So now you're only allowed 7 cars, 7 chassis per number in the Cup Series.
Okay.
So we have a lot more space in here now, where it used to be like with the old car when we built all our own chassis and everything. Just we had cars everywhere because you built so many different chassis that you would race for all different disciplines. So now everything's one chassis. So, this is a gift somebody gave my grandfather.
Golly.
That's crazy. Which, hey, by the way, we need to take a second here. Richard's the coolest person I've ever met in my life.
Yeah, I'm glad you got to meet him.
That he is so cool. Like his office, by the way, so sick.
Yeah.
He's just like, you ain't a patriot, you shouldn't be in this building. I'm like, let's go. This is America, brother.
Yeah, so this is the O'Reilly shop.
Cool.
Nice.
More focused in.
That's where we'll be spending most of our time.
Yeah.
In the coming years, you know.
Yep. Here's Bug.
So-
Hey, Bug.
Oh, this is crew chief.
So we met before. I heard you came to the track and race, and I lost to you.
When you were in that 5 car, the red 5,
The mini stock deal.
I was parked next to you.
Oh yeah.
And I remember at the beginning of the race, I started in the back and I picked you up down the whole front straightaway.
Yeah.
And you held it the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you picked up the back of the car?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then my transmission exploded
Yeah, I
in
was
the
like, oh,
tunnel.
he can drive.
All right, well that's good. I'm glad you took that because we're gonna need that positivity, you know, some days. Oh man, I'm fired up. Looking forward to working with you. I'm a good listener, so you tell me what you need from me, and
I'll tell you. You'll be fine.
What do you think about Rockingham?
It's fast.
Yeah.
They won the race last year.
We did win the race.
Oh, you
maybe
did?
maybe pushed the limits
We
a
didn't
little
quite
much.
pass
So
Tech
didn't
after
quite
race.
pass
Oh,
Tech. but we won the
okay.
race.
That counts.
We had a good time.
That counts. You win the race. You cross the finish line
Everybody
first.
else-
You won.
That's right. That's all the people knew.
We got good notes. We got
back.
good notebook, so we
Okay,
gotta go
yeah.
make some laps and figure it out. But
Make some laps. That's the goal. Finish the race. Priority number 1.
correct.
All right. Well, hey man, I'm really excited to work with you.
Yeah, me too. So
We're gonna spend some
let me know
time
what you
together
got.
this year.
Yeah.
By the way, Austin Hill and Jesse Love are insane drivers. Austin Hill made the coolest save I've ever seen in Atlanta, and Jesse Love is obviously an insane driver too. The other racers in this shop are top level drivers.
Yeah.
And then there's me. But we're gonna get there one day, you know? It's gonna take some time.
Every car is just the best of the best. It's kind of.
I mean, dude, we're
Dang, that's
at
gonna be us.
RCR.
Look at that. $100,000 check, baby.
Oh my
We
god.
gotta win some.
Dude, I'm feeling nervous being here because like it's so official.
Don't
you know?
I thought
I'm
I
excited.
feel so much
I
better
feel
being here.
confident
Yeah.
that I know. Like
It's like safer now.
the thing is now it's like I know that if I do bad, it's on me because the car's gonna be good. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
this is.
See how
They know what they're doing here. What's that?
Check out how the engine works.
Flintstone?
Yeah, he pushes hard.
Oh,
Now.
no.
You better be real nice to him.
All right.
Yeah.
You make
Yeah,
noises
he's a big
and
block.
everything.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Little fitment going on here.
This is nice.
Feeling good?
This is luxurious compared to my other cars. Are you kidding me? Dude, this is by far the most comfortable stock car I've sat in.
Good. Good. Because you know what? It's the most powerful, the fastest, and the coolest. Okay, so we need to be
Oh,
locked
the
in.
pedals are literally perfect.
We worked on them just a minute ago.
So Taylor here, he does a lot of the seat pours and all the race cars around Charlotte, and he's also the
Done
same
all
size.
of the ones that
Plays
you
body double.
This is perfect. I mean, by far the most comfortable I've felt in the car yet.
You're looking
How
locked
fast
in
does this thing
right
go?
now.
230, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a sick wheel. MPI.
Of course.
All right. Damn. I'm so glad. I mean, dude, I can see all the gauges, which is the first time ever. I mean, normally the steering wheel goes right.
Yeah.
This is phenomenal. Everyone's awesome here, too.
Yeah, everyone's in a
Like,
good mood. You know why?
Yeah, just-
Winning team.
Yeah, it's a bunch of winners.
You know what I'm saying?
Who won Daytona? Oh, that's right, they did. Come on. They got a whole photo shoot box for cars. So this room is just dedicated to taking pictures. Just did our headshots. Got my first official
Dang.
shirt. I might have to save this one.
I know, frame it.
And then they got a whole room dedicated to just team merch. When one of their drivers wins, they put on the sponsorship hat
for the entire team at the winner's circle. I was blown away by this because I was standing with Kyle Busch when he got on the pole at Daytona. Someone from RCR comes out of nowhere with 20 hats, and they just equip the team with all these hats for the pictures. They take the pictures, then they swap them all out for Chevy hats, take more pictures. I'm like, this is the most prepared thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't even remember to bring my own hat.
Holy smokes, this hallway's a mile long too.
This is a little, this is the marketing hallway. So this is my department over here, all of our partnership marketing managers, the rest of Dan's content team, all of our communications.
Is this where we get our office?
Yeah,
George and I?
we can get you an office right here. We can put George to work over in the content area. Yeah.
Oh, this is sick.
This is one building of 15. One of 15 we just toured.
That's a lot.
We have not scratched the surface. So this is the carbon
fiber shop over here.
Oh, wow. The carbon shop. Ooh. Ooh, mini. That's
Little
clean.
mini dyno rigs.
Oh, with
No
dyno. So how much carbon are you making? What's the...
I'll introduce you to Brody.
How you doing, Brody?
How are you?
Cleetus.
Brody, yes.
Just making
Nice
stuff
to meet you, buddy.
Howie, don't break anything.
I'm really high. I'm really good at that.
Oh, that's for the inside of a helmet?
That's on the top. That's your air duct. Make sure you hit all the
All the holes.
the right way.
Nice.
So these are radiator shroud.
Hold the
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so they get glued together. It's a two-piece. I got a chain
Nice.
still, and then I glue them together. I've been making overflow tanks that get glued together.
Whipping up carbon.
Yep, making it all. These are brake ducts, crossover ducts. These are nose ducts, rear view mirrors. There's some.
Dang, the mirrors are carbon?
Yep.
Yeah.
A lot of carbon
Yeah,
going on
carbon,
here.
brother.
Just resting
All right, to the next one.
So that's the carbon building. And then we're just going to walk across the street to the graphics building. They got a whole city right here. And then,
Literally.
what's that? The 48? Is that a whole separate shop for the 48?
Yep, so that is
team?
Big Machine runs that. They're a technical alliance in the O'Reilly series with RCR, so they have their own shop.
Oh, okay.
That used to be RCR's old, engineering building. So, but all the engineering's moved into the main shop now. So,
All right. How's it going?
how are you?
You got anything top secret in here? No. Okay, good.
Smells like a clean sticker.
Oh, man.
Dang.
So these guys do everything.
Got the pontoon in here.
Anything you guys
Holy
see.
printer.
That's awesome.
Man, how fast can you guys wrap a NASCAR these days?
3-4 hours.
3 or 4 hours? Yeah. Got it down to a science?
Yeah.
Dude, that's cool. Dang.
Sure, a hauler.
This is my kind of sticker right here.
Oh, a bunch of Chevy stickers. Can we get a roll of
This
this?
is American.
We knew you were coming.
As it gets. Dang, who's the boss? What's the boss's name?
The boss is chilling over there. All right, so that's their machine shop. They got a bunch of CNCs in there.
Yeah, right over there.
This is
This one
the
here. ECR engines. What's ECR?
Earnhardt Childress.
Dang.
So this is where they do the R&D on the engines, which we could be very helpful with.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even think to mention that to them.
Yeah, maybe that's why they hired us.
That's probably why we're here.
How's it going?
UCR
Thank you. How you doing, Cleetus?
Cleetus, nice to meet you.
This is George.
George.
And I'm Howie. Howie, nice to meet you, sir. Hi. Welcome.
Bob's everything you need to know about ECR engines.
So, this is our R&D building.
Yeah.
We do a lot of special projects in here. We actually used to build the Corvette and the Cadillac DPI engines out of this facility.
Oh, yeah?
Here is the last year that we supplied engines to the Cadillac program.
Wow.
And
I actually have
you know,
something that this could go in if you want to get rid of it.
And with the Cadillac program, I know we won a lot of races. We won championships. We did win 4 24-hour Daytona races in a row, which was very respectful. Our engine that we have on display out here is now the Hell Yeah engine. Did you know that, Ty?
Oh yeah, is that what's in?
So that's
Times
what
Square?
went to Daytona. That's what went to Times Square. And so they've
It's a
been
Hell
using
Yeah
that.
engine?
Yeah.
The one the billboard
The
one.
loudest
Oh,
billboard.
in the
Yeah.
billboard?
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's where that engine's at. And
Oh no way.
this right here is our Garage 56.
Oh yeah, that's one of the
engines.
coolest builds ever. So this is an R07, and the Cup engines are R07s as well.
Correct. Now, this is a cup engine with a different induction system on it.
Got it. All right.
Yeah. This is our engineering department here. So this is where all of the content of all of our race engines are developed. You'll find out that we also do a few other projects here too. Brent, do you want to give them a rundown of our M2X program?
Yeah, sure. The M2X program is like an environmentally friendly program that converts methane to usable methanol. So something you guys could run green methanol in your race car if you wanted to.
Yeah.
We definitely
Hey,
did.
we'll try out some green methanol. This thing looks nice and light.
So as you can see, these pistons here do not fit a NASCAR engine.
Oh, those look like they're,
M2X program.
looks like they're built for a little more compression.
So we build reformers and we also build compressors for that as well.
And if you're on the right track, you get run over if you sit there.
This is our Singer Porsche program in here. This is one area that we build the engines.
How much power do these make?
400. 400 horse. 4 liter, 400 horsepower.
There you go. Perfect ratio.
So I think everybody's understands how a Spintron works.
Oh, you got a Spintron?
So we have 2 Spintrons here.
Oh man.
How you doing?
All right, man. How about you?
Good.
You Spintroning in there?
I am, Cleetus.
And you got slow-mo cameras and you just
Go ahead.
check out the valve
Yeah.
train
Want to
stability.
see some of that? This is at 9 grand. Filmed at 8,000 frames a second.
9,000 RPM.
8,000 frames a second.
And what looks good and what doesn't about this?
That's very good.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Are those CT?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So those are our valve springs from
Yep.
our valve spring company.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. That is
Zero float.
crazy.
Zero float. We're
Yeah.
used to a lot of.
And that's at 9,000.
Everything we run has a lot of float. We like it a little.
That's at 9,000. Right
Yeah.
there. That page ain't floating.
You want the valve string to be dancing, don't you?
Yeah, ours do a lot of. They're doing
So,
two-step
are you
and boot
looking
scoot
for a
boogie.
gap between the roller and the top of the valve?
Yeah, if the lash is correct, yeah, it'll be a little bit of a gap. What we look for is it's just a lot of motion between the tag end and the first coil, and the same thing on the bottom. If it's pretty calm like it's supposed to be.
So if the retainer and the coil get a gap in it, that's a problem.
Yeah. Yeah, down here at the bottom. See how it dances just a little bit?
Clarity.
Yeah. Yeah. That's not a cheap camera, Cleetus.
8,000.
That's gotta be an
9,000
iPhone
frames
18
per
or
second.
A little bit better than iPhone 18, yeah.
All right.
It'll do what, 33,000 frames per
Yeah,
second?
yeah.
Good grief.
Yeah, so you're shooting guns or
The
whatever.
lumberjack's motor on that Spintron
Yeah, we
and
can
see
get
a
to
rod
that.
hit the ceiling.
Where we at here? I
This
missed
is
it.
the
I missed it.
injection lab.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
EFI.
Wow.
EFI.
EFI. So in this room, everybody, we kind of keep up with all the EFI related parts. And
We
pieces
love EFI.
for
Yeah.
the cup cars.
Okay.
So what we do here is we maintain all the injectors, all the manifolds. We check everything every race to make sure everything
Every
is working
single
as
one.
it should. We keep up with all the throttle bodies, which the throttle body is kind of replacement for what we did with carburetors in the old days, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, after that, we do a calibration on each throttle body. We actually do airflow tests and make sure that the calibration is correct for that specific set of injectors and manifold. The other thing we do in here, we keep up with all these sensors. All the cars on the cup side have sensors that control the
Goodness.
diagnostics of the
Oh,
engine.
you check all the
And we
sensors.
check the sensors every week and to make sure they're operating perfectly before they go to the car. And they're tested to make sure there's no issue with them.
You can see how much they're restricted here.
Oh my gosh, that's a speedway restriction
Yeah.
right there.
Painful.
Golly.
Painful is the right word. This is a general purpose cell here, so we can develop anything from an O'Reilly engine to Cup, Trans Am. This is a general purpose cell here.
So awesome, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
No way. That is so cool. That is so
That's
sick.
what people are like, why does it get so hot inside the race cars? Because those headers run right underneath your feet.
It's just wild. Wow, that this is all part of Richard Childress Racing. We open the door. Oh yeah, pop her open. Let's hear it.
what I started to tell you was, as you know, over 15 years ago, they don't let us test at the racetracks anymore.
Yeah.
So we had to figure out a way to do our engine development and get our durability. So we actually take track data and we put it here. We program it into these cells, and through that we can control temperature, humidity, barometer, exactly what it is at the racetrack. So we can go from Daytona sea level, we can go to the Pocono Mountains in less than an hour and be running an engine in actual conditions.
Wow.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah, so
That's
as
so
we're
cool.
doing our testing and durability, it's with actual track conditions.
It's so much more than just a racing team.
Oh,
You
dude.
think, you
Full
know, they're a
development.
race team, they got so many facets of racing going on, of motorsport. They're building the engines, researching them, building the teams, building the cars,
everything.
And we still do
building the
carburetors
valves.
here. We still do carburetors here after all these years.
Oh,
That's
you know
awesome.
that man.
That guy can tune a carburetor. We
He's
didn't
doing
talk to
carburetor
him.
big time.
But like, dude, they build their own valve springs.
Yeah.
They just have so much that they do. I can't even believe it. I mean, I thought this was gonna be big, but 15 buildings big.
It's big. Wonder if he's got any 99s in there.
Yeah. You got any 99 jets in here?
Absolutely.
Okay, that's
It's our
only
favorite
jet we
one.
run, actually.
Yeah, we probably ain't got enough turbo for you though.
You got any blow through stuff in here?
No. No.
All motors.
All motor.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yes, sir. Good seeing you, brother.
See you, man. Nice to see you, Jason.
The carburetor lab.
Carb lab.
That's sick.
Carburetor Craig would be fired up.
He'd be in heaven in there.
God, this place is crazy. Crazy.
Insane.
What's
It's
that
insane.
across the street? Manufacturing Solutions Building. So that's where they're telling the M2X, where they turn the
the methane into methanol.
Oh, I
Check
like
the
these
sign
parking
on the building.
spots.
yeah.
Building, what about the parking signs? They're just a bunch of crankshafts.
Couple leftover crankshafts. Not a lot of
Chevrolet.
stroke on them things.
Well, you know, they need them
No,
RPMs.
they need
Big
them.
bore, short stroke.
That's
Exactly.
right. That's Jordan's motto in life.
Yeah, that's
And
it.
so
Oh, I got it.
we
dude.
just had some work done on the walls here. In fact, Richard's saying was taken down because they did some work on the wall there. But anyways, we got that back up. Richard would be upset if that wasn't in here.
Yeah, no, that's a good one.
Yeah.
And so this building here, we supply engines to every week 8 cup, full-time cup teams
Wow.
and 11 O'Reilly series engines.
And
We have
that's-
8 teams that we supply engines to and cup and,
And do you have to give them a spare?
oh yeah.
This might be a dumb question, but are the RO7s built differently for different tracks? Or they're pretty much the same. Oh, they are.
Different.
So.
Can they
so
change the stroke and stuff?
To
or-
be clear, what they do, so like this year, as you know, we have a 670 horsepower and a 750 horsepower.
Yeah.
And a 520 for the super speedway, right?
Yeah.
They want the 670 and the 750, when they tear the engine apart, it has to be all of the same components. So the difference is the tapered spacer and the calibration.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So it's the exact same
And then
thing.
on the speedway engine, what's different there?
A lot,
Really?
including, yeah.
Like in terms, like pistons, rods,
Yeah.
valve train. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So this is our assembly room here. This is where all of the race engines are built. In this room right here, we have 6 assemblers, full-time assemblers that work in this room.
This
Can we look at
is
these?
crazy, dude.
Yeah.
So this is what's in an O'Reilly's car, correct?
Correct.
This will be in my car. And the cool thing about these, they set them up for the teams, right? They send them out the door. The team doesn't lash them, touch them, nothing. They're ready to go. They hang the clutch on it too.
It's a done deal.
Throw bearings adjusted. All you got to do is hook your transmission to it.
This one's got the restrictor plate on.
I'm like,
already,
just don't
too.
screw it up.
So are these all ready to rip right here?
Oh yeah.
Holy smokes.
Oh, nice. Look at all brand new sets of headers in here. Ready to rip.
Build on them.
George, come here.
I'm coming, I'm
They
coming.
got the things on. You better not
Oh,
open this baby up.
That's
okay?
a guy like you can't just eat. timing.
Get a hold of that distributor. You put a little.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
it always puts us in a situation.
Man,
You know,
I can't believe you guys put the clutch on. I mean, they're done.
No, the headers are on.
The headers that go on.
So our O'Reilly engines, the headers, we can't do that in the Gen 7 cars only because the header physically won't go on. But yeah, they're ready to go. Headers are bolted on. These are seals. So when this engine competes, they put a seal on it. And
So this one's going to Talladega
There you go.
for the 32 car.
no way.
Yep.
You got one for the 33 car laying here yet?
No, that was in the special.
She's in the hot room.
Oh, that's in the.
Yeah.
That's in the
She's in
secret
a double
room.
top secret room.
Yeah.
so when the engines come back,
Another
from the
room
racetrack,
of engines being built.
these are all engines that are actually being top-sided, so they are going to be sealed. They are sealed engines that we roll back through the valve train. So we borescope the engine, we change the valve springs, we go back through the complete valve train in the engine, and then we re-dyno the engines before they go back, because we're not going to send any engine back to the racetrack that's been compromised.
Okay.
So like if you spin out and a bunch of debris goes up the tailpipe and it goes through the exhaust and goes back up in the engine, we're not going to send that back to the racetrack. So this is...
Seriously?
So here's some M2X.
Are you serious?
Oh.
This is my Rocky engine? No way.
Oh, straight 6.
Nice. That's the RO8.
So we robbed a Petty to come work for us. This is Timmy Petty.
Hey, Tim. How you doing?
All right, you.
Great.
What'd you break on that motor over at Mortal?
Oh, probably everything. Probably everything on it.
Damn, you're a lot taller than you are on them videos.
I get
Figured out
that
who you
a lot.
was.
They said you need some help lashing some valves.
You mind?
Sent me over here, yeah.
Hey, we always got room for you. We want to go to DeSoto, your racetrack.
Hey, we'd
do
love
some
to have
burnouts with you or something.
We'd love to
We'd
have
like
you.
to tear some of this stuff up too.
We bring a couple
Bring,
of these.
yeah, exactly.
You come on
Well,
down.
You got to check with the guy with the big shirt.
There you go. We won't charge you at the gate.
All right, Laney.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Show him your big smile over
How
there.
you doing?
Hey guys. How you
Looks
doing?
good.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, hey, thanks for
Andrew,
Look at that. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh, dang.
Folks, look at the size of that wrist pin.
Oh, dang, that wrist pin's huge.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Landing gear for a Boeing 747.
So this is our honing lab in here. So everything
Oh,
from blocks
nice.
to pistons and
Look at all
connecting
the
rods.
sun equipment. We going
That
here?
is awesome.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, all right.
All the sun in equipment, that's how you know the deal is serious.
Maverick, you learn how to use one of these?
Yeah, I can hold some rods out. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Wow, dude.
What you doing here?
The RCR machine shop.
Holding some cylinders.
This is our
Wow.
Oh. Oh, you got too close. You
Oh, I broke the
idiot.
laser beam.
You
I
interrupted
couldn't
the
help
laser
but
beam.
just get in there. I know,
You
it's
just
my hat.
stopped at mid-hone,
You got
dude?
some metal plates.
That's not ideal.
It's all right.
That thing blows up. I'll give you his number.
Let's put that one in the 33 car. Get you every time. We turn all our safeties off. That's what I'm not used
This one right
to.
here is this more my style.
Old school.
Manual, you know?
Yeah. I just can't crank it.
I'm getting fired up being around all these engines.
I know.
So this is our fit up department here. This is where we put all of our torque plates on in here. All the main line is final inspected. All the bearings are fit up in this room. This is what we call pre-assembly or fit up department, both actually. And I think you can see we use air gauging instead of Dalmore gauges. Just gives us better resolution and better accuracy. This is our teardown department. So this is where all the engines come back from the racetrack every week. This is something that you'll see this room fill up in one day, like really quick.
Yeah.
We have all of our non-destructive testing back there for cracks and any kind of imperfections.
What's the busiest day of the week for these guys?
I would say Mondays, Tuesdays would probably be.
And then these guys are busier on Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's a pretty steady flow. I mean,
Yeah.
we try to organize this where we just keep a nice steady flow all the time, you know, and not have high tide, low tide. You know?
Just
Singing her.
singing out here all
8,500.
day. They don't.
weeks
It's
out.
funny. They don't really say like what car it's for. They say what track is it for.
Yeah.
Like it's a Darlington engine. That's crazy.
All of our, what's our standard?
Everything's so different.
So their deviation standard is 0.25% across all the engines. So if they deliver 20 engines for the week, they all have to make within 0.25% of each other.
That's crazy.
That's a pretty
Or they
small
don't pass the test.
window.
Yeah.
0.25%.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's important. That's important to us. There's no, we want to be able to take an engine out of one car, put it in the other, and there be no loss.
No
You know,
difference.
one thing that RC's always been adamant about is if you get an ECR engine, it's gonna be exactly what he's racing in his cars and nothing different.
Got it.
And he's done it a couple times where he'll take one out of our cars and put it in another car just to prove the point.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Jimmy Wallace is our
Hey,
head
Jimmy.
engine builder here.
How you doing? Cleetus.
Good. How you
Nice
doing,
to meet you.
Meet you.
Jimmy Wallace.
Jimmy Wallace was kind of born and raised here, wasn't he?
That's right.
Yeah.
He's been here as long as I have.
Been here.
Probably been here longer than Tyler
Yeah,
did.
he probably saw me more. Getting carried around in a stroller around here.
Wow. So I just want to realize we were in the presence. Jimmy Wallace used to build engines for Dale Earnhardt.
Oh, really?
I mean,
That's
just take
Jimmy
that
Wallace.
in, you know.
This is our cylinder head and manifold room here.
Whoa.
We do all the valve jobs on these machines.
Get too close.
Back over here.
That's the no.
Show anything.
This is the machines we do our valve jobs on here.
Those valves look huge, though. I will say that.
Yeah, for a 358 cubic inch engine. Yeah.
It's a pretty big
Oh,
valve.
that's what it is. Wow.
Yeah.
For a 358.
A lot of the electronics is all done in this room here.
You guys do alternators here too?
Well, we do
Service them?
Yeah, yeah, and we also build components for them as well. Yeah.
Okay. Service the starters and everything.
Yeah.
Make sure they're good and healthy, you know. Last thing you want in Daytona 500 is your alternator going out. You know what I mean?
That's right.
Yeah.
You'd be in trouble.
Make little tags that just get zip tied on here.
Nice. Very cool.
The every part that comes in, it gets laser and QR and wave.
Oh yeah, we saw the QR codes on the rockers.
Oh yeah.
So as you can see, we label them all here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
And again, we have 100% traceability of all of our components here. So there's nothing that we don't track and know exactly where it's at all times.
We need to work on our traceability in our shop.
Big time. Traceability, accountability,
We're
all of
bad
it.
on that.
So in here, it's
Who left the
everything
dipstick out?
from oil pumps to clutches to you name it. You did ask about a camshaft.
Okay. Very interesting.
That's got a distributor gear on it, so
Yeah, I
that's
see that.
that's
No, that's
That's
O'Reilly.
O'Reilly's.
These guys got it.
They know it.
They're
We're
all
fired up.
Fast
about
learners.
So before the engines are delivered to the teams, this is our dress out area. So this is where we go through
What's up?
another whole series of tests and checklists
Oh yeah.
before the engines go to the racetrack.
Okay, so this is.
And once they leave here is when they get delivered to the teams.
Yeah.
The body.
This is a cup motor, right?
Yes. How are you?
What the heck we got going on back
That's a
here,
clutch shaft.
brother? A clutch shaft.
Yes.
So it just has an
That's for the
output
transaxle.
shaft sitting
Yeah.
there. Plug the transaxle into it.
Yeah,
So you send it out, starter, everything.
Everything.
They can literally plug this in.
that's correct.
Wow, a clutch shaft.
It's bad unit.
What in tarnation?
Pull it out.
Wow. I was just taking it all.
Pull it
in.
out. Take a look.
Whoa, nailed it. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so cool. It bolts in, then it's
Yeah.
got its own like thrust bearing type deal.
Oh,
Very
wow.
similar to an input
Wow.
shaft. Just,
Yeah.
that-
Just way
Do you
sturdier
know
and
how,
better.
how nice this would be on like Leroy? Yeah.
Make everything a lot easier.
Wow. All right.
That's sick.
Am I looking at just this little filter for the breathing of the valve cover?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that's it.
It's tight. This ain't no boosted application.
Oh yeah.
How tight are we talking?
They don't want nothing getting past the piston. They want it all to be
There
power.
must be nothing if this is the only thing that it allows the valve cover to breathe.
It's actually big. It used to be a lot smaller. Like probably a third of that.
So this is our QC lab here. One thing that we never do, and we have people that do build components for us, whether it be a crankshaft or a connecting rod or a piston, wrist pins, and they have great quality control in every one of those companies. We don't assume anything, and so everything that they've signed off and they send into this building, we go back through and do all of our own quality control inspections.
Smart.
We just can't.
We've gotten ourselves some
you know,
couple
you guys
bad
get
parts here
parts
and there.
and you take
too.
them
It
out of a
happens.
box, and it's like you can see the check marks
That
for people's.
happens,
Yeah, and it's like, okay, well, it's good to go, right? We never assume.
No.
And it's
I like
a
it.
lot of extra work.
Sometimes the delivery guy's having a bad day, got chased by a dog,
Yeah.
dropped the box, who knows what.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh, sticky trap. Smart.
Holy smokes.
This thing looks like it'll catch.
That thing,
It'll
dude.
catch something.
Don't even come near that, George. This could put us in generational debt. You break that.
It's putting me in radiational debt right now.
Oh wow, they're really checking those babies out. Oh yeah.
Every single one of them.
He's really.
Oh, can I peek
checking
in
that.
the? Can I look in here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's see if this will see in there.
It might not.
It's on the computer.
It can.
What I got in here is an example of what we would call our tier 4 valve springs. And they are, that pretty much means they're straight junk to us. I'm taking them to the scrap bin out back. We don't want them in the shop.
Really?
With that being said, I've done this job 4 years now, and I can count on this hand how many tier 4 springs we've had.
Oh, so you
So
pulled
it's-
this out to show us this?
Yeah, this is just one I
okay.
keep for an example. When
Those-
tours
so those-
come through, so they can kind of get an idea of what I'm doing.
So those little scratches right there are why it's junk.
That and on down the spring
Wow.
a little bit where I don't have in the microscope,
Those
there's a
little
lot of
scratches.
rust on it, so that's why with tier 4.
And let me take a look at. Oh, it's so small. Can I hold that really quick?
Yeah, what you're looking at is that blue box right there from the microscope.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. I can't see anything.
I would have put that in my engine 100%. Oh, look at that.
For
Scratch
years.
Hitman. Oh yeah, she's good.
Let's be honest, wouldn't even have looked at
commonly
that.
see on them is
incredible.
this one little scratch right here on the computer screen.
Yeah.
That's enough for me to say, hey, I saw something I didn't like. You know, does it necessarily mean it's going to break? Maybe, maybe not. Am I willing to take that chance and put my name on the box saying they're ready to go to the racetrack? Absolutely not.
In the
So
bin.
we'll flag those as tier 2 springs, and they'll be used next door mainly for like internal testing, things
Okay.
like that. But,
Short-term use.
Right.
Not
When I'm
Daytona.
looking at the
Not
springs,
Daytona.
I'll look at the entire outside coil, and then I can zoom the microscope in and look at the entire inside coil here.
Right.
And I'm doing that on the outers and inners. So 32 springs a set, and I do 4 to 6 sets a day.
He said he's only
lot
had
of springs.
5 bad ones in his entire
So-
time doing this.
Well, that's why they make their own springs. Probably used to be a lot bigger number than
Probably
that.
right. That's probably right.
So I'm going to have Elijah show you what we have in here for equipment.
Okay. What's up, man?
Elijah Children.
Nice to meet you. This is George here.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing,
man.
brother?
So this is our QC lab.
Yeah.
Right? It's 68 degrees in here year round. They hate us in the winter. They love us in the summer. Right?
I
They
like
lay down
that.
on the cool floor and everything. So this is our control measurement machine, one of our control measurement machines. That is a 26,000 pound piece of granite. Right? So that took us almost
one piece
crap.
of
one piece of granite. That took us almost 4 or 5 weeks to get. Yeah, that's solid, right? It took us 4 or 5 weeks just to get that to come to 68 degrees to where we could actually calibrate it and use it. So,
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That thing's never leaving, right? So we measure a lot of our blocks, our pistons on large validation
crap.
on this guy. Anything with a bigger part that needs to go across something larger, we can do it on this. One of the things you'll notice that is different is this is a articulating head. So I can go 360, 360, right? And you'll see a lot of these with our Zeiss partnership in here. You'll see a lot of the stuff that you see throughout the lab. That partnership allows us to get stuff like this. So we're the only ones that have this big of a carbon footprint of a CMM, not only in racing, but on the East Coast. So it's huge. Bouncer and optical comparator, right? You've seen a million of these, I'm sure. Roll it up.
Nope, I have
What?
not seen it. This is the first one, believe it or not.
So you see that form trace there? I can run a lifter up there to make sure the geometry's right. I can run a push rod tip up there to make sure that our push rods are correct.
Okay.
You know, that allows me to do a quick down and dirty, get it done fast, and then roll on. So, yep, that helps us out a bunch when we're trying to just move forward.
I thought this was a submarine.
This is our vertical CMM and an ADCO. You can see here cams and cranks, spins on the bottom of a follower, right?
Okay.
The follower then goes in and out of each portion of the cam load.
Oh,
and then
that
allows
thing
you
right
to
there.
measure
Yeah. Check the
on
cam load.
Yep, you're checking load separation, you're checking what grinds you got, making sure
our whole lab exists to trust but verify that somebody else has done what they said they did. Right?
So you can take this and steal someone's cam specs
if you want to.
Easily.
Have we done that? We need classify.
We need to take Jack Stan's
cheap car challenge.
Cam shaft.
This portion on here, that's a Z-mic, right? Digital Z-mic. This side of the room kind of looks at all of our visual stuff.
Digital mic.
Yep. So you can see my finger's probably out of tolerance here, right? In the red.
Digital mic.
Oh, what the heck?
Yep. See that coming in? See the laser that comes through. But if we take a tip of a valve, we take a tip of a valve, we can see if that valve diameter is correct real quick. In and out, in and out. Keep it moving, right?
Genius.
This is the board that we work off of. Corey here does a lot of our hands-on, that type of stuff, mics, calipers, chrometers, stuff like that.
Oh my God.
Right, yeah, here's an example of some of our cranks that come in. That crank goes through a 6-tier process. So visuals on incoming, it goes through the add-cold portion, goes through a surface finish portion, goes through another CMM portion, because you got to make sure this bad boy's right?
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that our company has done trust and verify.
You guys are not playing.
We don't play.
And let me tell you this: there's none of these manufacturers send this crew Christmas cards. That's for sure.
Really?
Because he makes it hard.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, I'm gonna get you a Christmas
Thank
card.
you, man.
Yeah, the drivers.
That
do.
makes up for it. So on this side, we kind of turned it into our engineering portion of things.
Yeah.
You have 2 more control measurement machines here. These guys will sit and measure whether it be a crank that comes across, connecting rods, anything with tight tolerance in our tenths, millionths, right?
Yeah.
Anything of those tight tolerances we measure through. Where we really separate ourselves, not only as a QC lab, because we can classify as a level 3 clean room in here, but where we really separate ourselves at QC labs, we can do our own in-house fair analysis, which means if you're going down at bald eagle speeds, like you like to say, and you blow something up or something bad happens, we can then bring that in, identify that, look at that root cause, look at the material, what's the defect, instead of having to send this stuff out 3 and 4 and 5 weeks, waiting for somebody else to do that, and then FedEx it back to us, and then email us with what they're saying.
Oh, right.
That is a scanning electron microscope.
Holy
yes.
Yes.
A lot of money. And you see now we're in the Zeiss port, everything's just got Zeiss on it. That's a lot of money. So what we do is all 3 Zeiss machines on that side, the Zeiss V20 all the way down, Smart Proof, Smart Zoom. The V20 will let you go to about 95x, which is pretty up close and personal, right? When you keep going, about 150x on the next machine, 300x magnification on the next machine. When it gets down and dirty of the scanning electron, though, it's to infinity and beyond. If you need to roll up to 1,000,000x, you're there, bud. So
What?
That bad boy uses a Lab 6 filament, shoots an electron beam down on the material, right? It shoots back up.
It's got a laser beam.
It's got a laser beam and a lot of screeching bald eagles, and you get images like that right there that you see. Now that is a M4 tool steel, or was an M4 tool steel rocker carbide, which is completely invisible to your eye and my eye. So we can't see that. But when we blow that up in there, we can see that, okay, that thing is then performing like a shark's tooth on a push rod tip. Can't have that. If we have a valve spring break, like you see there, that's a pre-existing crack on a valve spring. If you have a valve spring break, that's literally a surface to our naked eye. At 95x, we can kind of tell what's going on. But if we want to blow that up to infinity and beyond, to look at an inclusion, it's a million times. Whatever you need to go to.
I'm thinking if we would have brought the limo's engine here, we could have got some very
useful. We could have known before it blew.
We could have figured out if it was from the frozen block or something else.
Bob, I'm feeling extremely confident in the engine. I have no worries now. Wow.
Starting to seem like our weakest link is going to be driver.
Bob, tell them why we like to end the tour on this, why it's important.
Just to confirm to everybody that we assume nothing here. We're never going to accept mediocrity, and we're only going to send out what the absolute best every single week to all of our customers.
Clearly.
Well, if you blow it up, if you blow it up, I expect a shout out to the QC lab and the fair analysis team.
I will remember that. I will remember that. I'm feeling extremely confident though that we're not going to have that issue. We will get you a Christmas card.
Thank you, man. Thanks, guys.
There's a literal army of people.
Literally. 450 people.
Just on these engines.
Yeah, how many employees are in the engine department here?
a little over 100, 103, 104, but that also includes our M2X and also our SPD program as well. So,
Bob, hell of a tour.
Hey, thank you guys for coming here.
Wait, he never did get to answer. What if somebody wanted an engine?
Yeah, what it?
Like maybe us.
Okay, so we actually have sold engines here before. I will say this, it's what we would sell would be like a really older spec.
Yeah.
We wouldn't send anything that's like current spec, but we do. Yeah, we could work something out. Yeah. You know, you guys do so much for motorsports all around. I mean, you know,
Appreciate that.
really appreciate you guys.
I like where this is
I
going.
love Bob.
I like where this is going.
No, seriously, you guys have gotten so many people involved and enthusiastic about motorsports and all this different stuff that you do, and we thank y'all for that.
Oh, we try, man.
Yeah.
We thank you for what you're doing.
Tell
Can't wait to. We want to. By the way, can't wait to drive one of your engines.
Okay.
Thank you, Bob.
Yes, sir. Looking forward to it.
See you, brother.
Thanks, Bob.
Looking forward
Learned a
to it.
lot. Learned that we better not screw anything up. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Y'all take
That
care.
was the right guy for that.
I can tell you right now,
He knows what he's talking about.
this is the right team.
Dude, I
This
mean,
is the right team.
that's what I was trying to say in the beginning of this video.
And you also said, you know, people say what they want about my boy in Daytona in the truck, but you get a phone call from RCR.
Yeah.
What are you supposed to say?
You say, hell yeah, brother.
It-
I'm in.
Exactly.
I was trying to say in the beginning of the video, in the intro, like, this is not just an opportunity to go racing. This is an opportunity to go racing with one of the greatest of all time, Children's Racing. I mean, his operation is
second to none.
I didn't expect it to be like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, no, I love,
This-
man. I'm so glad you guys got to see it. Like, people don't
It's
understand
just-
what goes into it.
It's way beyond what I even thought. Today.
Yeah.
I know you told me it's huge.
Yep.
But like that engine building alone is
It's insane.
enough to blow anyone's mind.
Yeah.
And can people come here for tours?
They
Like,
can. Yep.
what do they
come
do? They go online and sign
Go
up?
online, and just you can really start at the museum. So we're gonna head up to the museum here.
Oh,
a little
yeah.
bit. You start up there, and then you can tour all of our shops here.
Just the engine shop tour would be worth the all access pass, whatever it is. That's amazing.
If you're a car guy, you're gonna love that.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna check out the museum. We can see a bunch of Dale cars through the windows already.
Some winning cars.
Yeah.
And like I said earlier to you guys, this was the original shop here on campus where all of Dale's cars were built originally. So you went to ECR, you went to the Cup shop, you went to the O'Reilly shop, you may have seen some of the other buildings like the chassis shop. All of that used to be in here.
Okay.
So as we go through, you'll see there was a room where our engine shop was.
Yeah.
Now there's two different buildings, right?
Yeah.
So it used to all fit in here.
Wow.
There they are right there,
A lot of
dude.
history in here.
Oh wow.
Dang.
Look at all that.
Holy crap.
So all of this is his personal collection.
The Oreo car is so sick.
This-
Here's
this-
here's the old engine shop right here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Old small box.
So he sold peanuts at Bowman Gray Stadium to be able to afford to split a taxi cab with a guy. They retrofit it, raced it. They split half the season because they split the money on it.
Yeah.
The next year, they both had enough money to buy their own car, and that's where it started.
Did they restore any of these cars, or this is kind of just how they've always been?
If they are race win cars, they're in here.
They're not allowed to be touched.
They're not allowed to be touched. So
If
if
you win,
there's
car goes in, not allowed to be touched.
champagne on it, there's anything on it, it stays.
Any race
Buy
win
off
or the
the
big
first-
race wins?
Big ones.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. I was gonna say.
My brother and I's first race cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got some wheel marks on. We just
Oh yeah.
rough racing.
Yeah, this used to be the engine builder's room right here.
Yeah, that was
So you saw ECR down there, but these three rooms right here, the length of this wall used to be our entire engine shop.
Yeah, now it's the Atlanta.
When you'd win this Atlanta race, they'd give you a bass boat, bass fishing boat every time.
Oh,
you won.
yeah.
So they got him and I think between my grandfather and Dale, they split 3 or 4 boats.
The Brickyard 400.
This guy's always working hard.
Yeah,
Always.
That guy's always
He's
working.
busy.
Puts in the hours.
Strong shoulders.
Yep.
Got a crisp uniform though, look at that.
Yeah. Oh, the transporter. How
Holy
sick.
crap, dude.
That's so cool.
So this was Dale's hauler.
Which you can go in it.
We can walk down the middle of it if you
Let's
want.
do that.
It's very similar. These guys are the same guys.
This is Dale
Oh, really?
Earnhardt's hauler.
I didn't know they had.
They said they had his driver pull it in here. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Another engine over here.
Oh yeah, wow. Couple of them. No way, dude.
We got 2 cars up here. I got a backup and a primary up there.
And 3 engines.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, 2 cars.
This is so sick right here.
Yeah.
Oof. That's just such a great looking
race
car
car.
right now. Right there. Aluminum. Come on. Can you believe how big all these buildings are? I mean, it's an
No.
all-day thing to tour this place.
It's exhausting.
We've been going all day,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Oh, stop.
Dude, oh yeah.
He did?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Dude, I'm telling you, everything in here, this is his.
My lord, he's got anything.
Quite honestly, Ty, I think there's some of yours and Austin's stuff
Yeah.
in here too.
Yep.
A polar bear?
Yeah.
That thing's
He's
huge.
done it.
Wow. Never been this close to a polar bear. It's big.
Several bears.
Yeah.
Several
Especially right
bears.
here, when you can like reach out and see how big his paw is compared to your hand, it's kind of.
Yeah.
A polar bear is actually massive. That's insane. To think, people always talk about fighting them.
That thing would look at
Like,
you
I don't
and think
understand.
you're a double cheeseburger.
Exactly.
So Johnny Morris with Bass Pro Shops actually partnered with Richard on this space here, and as you can see, it's kind of reminiscent of a Bass Pro Shops with some
Yeah.
of the settings and some of the scenes. So
Oh, we absolutely love Bass Pro Shop.
Oh yeah, for
That is
sure.
the spot.
I've been dying to fish a center store tank.
Oh, we would love to fish in Bass Pro Tank. Big time. Wow. The building just keeps going.
That's the one too. Right? It's right
here's
off
a
there.
really good example of how a car comes straight into the museum from the racetrack.
Yeah. Never been touched.
Yep.
All the Coke confetti stuck on it. You see all the Coke confetti stuck on it from the champagne.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Coke and champagne.
Daytona 500, Austin Dillon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look how cool it is.
All of these trophies, George.
Oh wow.
Dang.
We have so many trophies, we can't keep them all out here. So.
Yeah. Oh, Dale truck, George. Is this a Mike Skinner truck?
Skinner,
Yeah,
yeah.
first, because we were the first team to win a championship in all 3 series, so this
Yeah?
was his truck series.
Dang, it's so much nicer than ours.
Winston Cups.
Championships that he won here at RCR.
Dang. All right, guys, just wrapped up our tour. What an incredible place here at Richard Childress Racing in Welcome, North Carolina. Absolutely nuts. I mean, over 400 people working on all different facets of motorsports, and we get to be a part of it. I don't understand how that happened, but I want to give a huge thanks to Ty Dillon, the Dillon family, Richard Childress Racing, Tommy's Express Car Wash. Could not be more thankful for this opportunity. Oh, and thanks to you guys for making it all possible. You guys are the ones that give me the credibility to even get opportunities like this. So thank you so much. I'm so excited to do some racing. We're going to Rockingham, ready to rip. Remember to be like Biff, do it for Dale, and we'll freaking see you later. All right, guys, what a great video. But as you know, we give away a turbo every single day on CleetusMcFarland.com. Doesn't matter if you buy a shirt, a hat, a sticker, anything. We just pick one random order and throw a turbo in it. Turbo wall's looking good. We did a little reorganization.
Yep.
And we got 7 people to call because it's been since last week since I did this. Up first, from the 25th of February, we have Tyler M. from Middlebury, Vermont. It's not a great way to start, dude.
You know what I just remembered?
What?
You need over 30 more turbos.
I know, I do.
I don't think I'm
Dang it.
forgetting about that.
All right, Tyler, we got you with the 6466. All right, from the 26th, we have Todd M. from Northfield, New Jersey. Come on, Todd.
What are you gonna do something funny to Todd since he's from Jersey?
Hey, how you doing? You from the shore? Come on, Todd.
Hello?
Todd, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing fantastic. Calling to see if you're interested in some solar panels.
I love solar panels.
Really?
I don't have any solar panels. How about you?
Oh, I have.
Rather a turbo than
Well, we have a turbo too. Would you be interested in a free turbo today, Todd?
Yes, sir, I would.
What size?
I would love myself a free turbo.
And what size would you like?
Well, I do have a turbo Veloster. which is a small four-cylinder, but hey.
I think you should stay on the 6466 train then.
I think so too, my sir.
We'll throw one in the mail for you, Todd.
My friend, that is a wonderful thing.
That's a wonderful
Thank
thing.
you so much.
Thank you, brother. See you later. Bye.
Have a great day.
You too, man. Bye. Love that, dude. That was a good one.
That was clean.
That was clean.
Simple, smooth.
From the 27th, Gene from Lakeland, Florida.
Oh.
That's right. That's by Cameron Johnson. Hello?
Hello?
Is this Gene from Lakeland?
Yes, sir.
Gene, this is Cleetus.
Hi, Cleetus.
I don't know if we know you already since you're so local, but you want a turbo.
Thank you, sir.
Do we know each other?
No.
Oh, well, don't matter, buddy. You're getting a turbo today.
Thank you, sir.
Do you know what size you want?
I have Mustang GT, so what good size do you think?
What year?
88, sir.
Oh,
Good stop.
64, 66. Keep it small.
Okay.
Sound good?
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good, sir.
Thank you, Gene. We'll talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, bye. We're knocking them out, dude.
You ain't lying.
All right, we got to call Eddie real quick.
Yeah.
I got to break him the news about the RCR deal. He's getting some early info.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
247 truck repair. Here it is.
247 truck.
Actually, he doesn't pick up one day, dude. There he is. What's up, Eddie? Oh, you know, calling winners. Someone didn't pick up, so obviously I got to call you, but it's a good thing I'm calling you today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Good thing.
I got some news I wanted to tell you.
All right, what's that?
I got a part-time job racing an O'Reilly's car for Richard Childress Racing.
No way.
Yes, way.
Hell yeah, man.
That's actually what this whole video is about. So I'm dropping it like now. Yeah,
Awesome, man.
thanks, man. I figured you'd be jacked.
I was going to watch you when you're in Kansas, then.
That's right. I won't be racing the O'Reilly's car in Kansas. Only Talladega.
You're going to do the other one, though.
I will be running the ARCA car in Kansas with Squirrel.
Yeah, congratulations. That's
Thanks,
awesome.
man. Yeah, we're fired up.
You're doing right in there for the boy himself, man.
I know. It's going to be crazy.
Man, not Cleeter and Kyle Busch on the same team.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, I'm not in Cup yet, but yeah, we're on the same team.
That's on the same team, man.
That's right, man. You're gonna love this video. It's got a crazy tour of the place. It's nuts.
Oh, dude, I love all of them, man. That's awesome.
All right, well, that's it, Eddie.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you, man. I'm looking forward to seeing you in a few weeks.
Oh yeah, man. I'm trying to, it's a little cold. Been driving that Corvette around, but hopefully it's a little warmer.
We're gonna have some warm weather when you get here, buddy.
Tell him I said hey.
George says hi.
Oh, what's up, George?
Hey, buddy.
All right, man.
All right, brother. You too, man. See ya. Later. Bye.
Gosh, I love Eddie, dude.
Eddie's a good guy.
Now I was thinking we gotta get Eddie some VIP tickets at
yeah.
Kansas.
We're gonna get him set. Oh, at Kansas too, yeah. Freedom 500 for sure. All right, from the 28th, we have Crystal M from New Brunswick, California.
3 hours behind too.
I love the calls when it's the girlfriend that got the turbo for the boyfriend. Those are the most fun. Or the wife bought it.
Hi, you've reached Crystal.
Dang. Crystal, I need a 64, 66.
Surprise coming.
All right, from March 1st, Don M, Essexville, Michigan.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
This isn't good today.
No.
I'm trying to talk to my boy Don about a new turbo. Don, we'll get you set up with a 64, 66, all right? From the second, we have Matt L from Meridian, Mississippi. I'm feeling like Matt's gonna pick up. He got a Freedom Factory special t-shirt. Quick with it. That's what I like to see. Matt, how you doing today?
Cleeter, I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing great. You're about to be better because you want a turbo, Matt.
No way.
Yes, sir. Do you know what size you want?
A 76 would be perfect on my rig.
Beautiful. What's your rig?
I got a 463 valve that makes a little bit more than stock power. Kyle would love it.
Oh, she gonna make way more than stock power now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, brother. We'll lock it in. We'll get her in the mail for you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. See you later.
Hey.
You too. Bye. That's the fastest pickup we've had since Eddie.
Yeah, that was a good.
That was pretty
yeah,
good.
since Eddie.
Oh, hidden mousetrap back here, huh? Unbelievable,
Oh, sneaky.
All right, last but not least in this video, we have our order from yesterday, which is Jacqueline L. from Mitchell, Nebraska. How cool is that? At least the people who have answered today have been ecstatic.
Yeah.
Hello.
Is this Jacqueline?
This is her.
Jacqueline, this is Cleetus.
Oh my God.
You know why I'm calling?
Hi. Why are you calling?
Congratulations, you won a turbo. Is this for you, this turbo?
Oh no, for my husband.
Okay, I thought, you know, maybe. So, you want to add him on the call?
No. Yeah, he's right here. We're in the car.
Oh, you're in the car. All right. You guys know what size you want?
I got you on speaker. What do you want?
What's good for LT1 Caprice?
LT1 Caprice. I mean, you can make 800 horsepower with an LT1 pretty reliably. 64 would be like right there. It'd be probably perfect. It's spool fast. It'd be pretty solid, but a 76 is like, you could probably push it to 1,000 if you were feeling real spunky.
Now, I think he's talking about an old school.
Whoa, which Caprice? Yeah, hold on. Let's get the year on the Caprice.
It's a 96.
Okay, all right. 64, 66. All right, I thought you were talking about the new Caprice.
No, older one.
I'd throw a 64 on it, brother.
Perfect.
By the way, where is Mitchell, Nebraska?
Almost the Wyoming border.
Oh, wow, way up there. Okay, cool.
Yes, we're way up here.
Complete opposite from where you're from.
Is it cold?
No, it's not bad actually. It's warm today, and then it'll be freezing in a few days, and then get back warm.
25.
Well, you guys stay warm.
Yep.
Worst case, you can hook the turbo up to your heater if you need to.
That's right.
Cool.
Perfect.
All right, thank you guys. Yeah, have a great day.
Take care, you too.
See ya, bye. All right, guys, great day calling turbo winners. Great day overall. Huge announcement. Hope you guys are wound up. Thanks for watching Be Like Biff, Do It For Dale. We'll freaking see you later.